Hello all, myself Chetan Meri, working in Bangalore International Group of Institutions as pre-primary faculty. As we all are aware that we are under pandemic situation and we are under lockdown. So to keep your tiny tots engaged, today I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful and decorative greeting card. And as May Day is arriving, it's on May 1st. It's also called as International Labour's Day. On that day, as token of appreciation, you can get this greeting card done by your child and you can give it to the warriors, whoever is fighting amidst this lockdown also, like doctor, policeman, nurse, power karmikas. As you will be knowing, you can get this done by your child and you can give it to them. Your child also feels happy and the person whoever is receiving it. I'm going to show you the materials required for that. Orange color kg cardboard, scissor, green color sketch pen I have taken. You can use whichever color is available. Scale, pencil, Fevicol, and I am using bindis. These are the things whichever is available at our home. So let's begin. Folded this sheet into greeting card shape. So as it's looking too plain, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of pencil and scale and draw the lines. Take a measurement, like you can choose a bigger one or the smaller one. I have taken a medium sized one, so draw it here. We are going to cut this shape, whichever we are going to draw here. We are going to cut this. Mark a point. Keep the sharp edge over here and mark a point. So try to cut this. If you have a cutter, you can make use of it. Cut the lines whichever has been drawn and remove this. Keep it aside. So you can see the window shape over here. Yes. So when you fold it, it's like this. Okay. So turn it like this. So what are we going to do is, I have taken a strip. We have to paste the strips diagonally. Make use of Fevicol. So put it over here like this and stick it. Leave a gap and stick it all over. So here we are done till here. From top to bottom level we have stuck the strips. So I am going to again stick the strips from bottom to the top level, bottom to the top level, so that it looks even more beautiful. So put the strips like this. See the measurement over here. And the extra part you have to cut it. Cut the extra parts. Take the glue and stick it all over. The strips has been stuck from top to the bottom level and from bottom to the top level. When we turn front, it gives a crisscross effect. Here we have a glue marks to give a good finishing. I'm gonna stick this using the glue. So it's been stuck here. So here to write a note, I'm going to use this white plain sheet. As you can see, it looks empty. We'll draw a border to it. So you can draw a border whichever you like to draw. Maybe a flower, leaf, star, anything you like to draw. You can make it look good. It's been stuck here. So we'll fold it here. So here it looks empty. So why don't we make it more colorful? I'll use the colorful bindis, which is available at our home. You can use colorful buttons or any colorful stickers, stone stickers, whichever is available at home. You can make use of it. As I have the colorful bindis, I'm going to make use of it. The stickers has been stuck. So here I'll be sticking this flowers to the edges over here like this. We'll use a glue and stick this. So inside this, as it's looking plain, I'll stick the bindis. As I said before, you can make use of colorful buttons. It's not that you should use only the bindis. whatever things, whichever is like colorful to make it look beautiful, you can use the colorful things to make it even more beautiful. As you can see, it's looking beautiful now, right? So I'll just show you how to do this flower. So here I have taken a glitter paper, so square shape. Into the square shape, all the sides should be equal. So fold it into a triangular shape. Fold it into a triangular shape, one fold, and this is the second fold. Two folds has been given. So press it harder, then open the second fold, and as you can see this mid point over here, so fold it like this to the halfway, and again fold it like this. So here from this down level, I'm going to draw a flower shape. You can draw a leaf shape or else. So here I'm drawing a flower shape. Take the scissor and cut the shape whichever has been drawn. So cut it carefully. So hold this and open it up. So this is the flower shape which I've got. So outside part is done. Inside, let me stick one more flower to make it even more beautiful. Yes, yes, our greeting card is ready. Here are few more greeting cards. Here, as you can see, I have used white color stone stickers, and here different shapes has been stuck, and here also few different shapes. I hope you all like it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.